Hello, this video is mostly about screencasting. I will discuss some other things at the end. Screencasting is when you record your screen and voice at the same time. So nobody will see your face, they will just see the computer screen with you going through your slides, presentation slides. The best program for this is Screencast-O-Matic. This is the web address for that. You can also just Google it, it will come up. Here is the address. Click on Start Recording for free. Then click on Launch Free Recorder. Because something may download here when it's the first time, and then you have to open that. As I already downloaded it, I see this one. Open Screen Recorder Launcher. You should see a black box like this. It will be on screen. Okay. This allows you to record videos for up to 15 minutes. Which should be enough time for everybody, I think. Okay. So the next thing you do is open your presentation, make sure it's open, then click record. Then you can start speaking and going through your slides. Actually, this is the second time I've made this video. The first time I wasn't happy with it, so if you're not happy, you can stop and click on the trash can. It will let you start again. You must pause the video and then click on the trash can. If you're happy with your video, your recording, click Done. The next thing to do is click on Save or Upload. Next, click on Save as Video File. Next, you have to choose where you want to save it. So it says Folder, click Browse. Usually I put things on the desktop, it's easy to find them there. See here I selected desktop. Then click on Publish. It might take a little while to download, but here you can see the file on my desktop. So it's saved onto my desktop. From there, once you have that, it's very easy to put into Blackboard or from there. Okay, so that was screencasting. I also made if you have a problem with that and you just want to use the laptop to record simple audio, you can also do that on the computer. There are many programs. Here is one, it's called onlinevoicerecorder.com. So you just click on the red button here, then click Allow for the microphone. Start recording. When you're finished, pause it and click Save. When you click Save, it will automatically download the file. So the advantage of doing it on the laptop is it's very easy to put onto Blackboard from the laptop. So. Okay, there was some confusion about what to upload, where to upload. So actually I'd like it if everyone could put their slides, every student, into the project folder. You will see it says Submit Project Slides here, and then you will see this one. If you could put your slides here in this one, 4+5 presentation slides plus edited slides. Okay. Okay, so that's just the slides. That's the first part. The second part is you have to do the recording. So you have to speak about the slides. Usually we do this in the class, but because of the lockdown, coronavirus, you have to do this at home and make a recording. You don't have to be together. You can be alone. You can do this anytime. But you must agree on who is going to speak for which slides. Okay. Remember, you have to, for example, student A slides 1 to 10, student B slides 11 to 20. Remember that you have to speak for 5 minutes. So if you have 10 slides, that's an average of 30 seconds for one slide. So I think you really need about 10 slides to make it to 5 minutes, really. So, yeah, and I recommend practicing more than once. So it might take a few times before you get it right. Don't just speak about what you see on the slides, try to say something extra, make it longer. Okay, when you finish the recording, if you could also put it in the project folder in the normal course, it says number 7, recording for finished slides, submit here. So if you could put it there, but you will also need to put it somewhere else in the assessment folder. The slides are fine just in this one, in the normal project folder, in the normal course, but the recording you have to also put in another place. Okay, you'll have to put it in the assessment folder for GC 5000. So this is a different course from the normal lessons. It begins CA, and you'll see here it has ASMT, that means assessment. I'm not sure the folder is ready yet, but it should be ready soon. At least if you've saved the files in the other place, at least I have a copy of it. Okay, finally, a few words on some language I'd like you to use. So there is a mark for collaboration, which is teamwork. So we need to hear you mentioning your partner in the presentation. So if you're speaking first, please mention your partner in the introduction. So in the first few slides. Okay, and when you've finished your slides, also mention your partner. For example, you can say like this: thank you for listening, and now my partner Fatima will continue, for example. Okay, and the next person who's speaking should do something similar. So if you're the second speaker, even though you're not together, you're in different places, you should say, thank you, Mariam, my name is Fatima, and I will speak about okay. You should also mention maybe at the end as well when you're summing up. Okay, and here you can see a video that I made just now using Screencasting.